Your body whispers before it screams, but most of us ignore the tiny red flags that mean something is wrong inside. What if the headaches, brittle nails, or tired eyes you shrug off are actually silent warnings of a vitamin deficiency? In today's video, we'll uncover 10 hidden signs of vitamin deficiency that people often overlook. These clues may look small, but they reveal how your body is crying out for help. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know how to catch these warnings before they turn into bigger health problems. Number 1, brittle hair and nails, biotin deficiency. Brittle hair and nails are often more than just a beauty concern. When your nails break easily or your hair starts thinning, it can point to a lack of biotin, also known as vitamin B7. Biotin plays an important role in turning the food you eat into energy and keeping your hair, nails, and skin strong. Without enough of it, the body struggles to maintain these structures, and the first signs show up where they are most visible: your hair and nails. A biotin deficiency can also cause red, scaly rashes on the skin, especially around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Some people may even feel more tired than usual, have a tingling sensation in their hands or feet, or experience mood changes. While this deficiency is not very common, it can happen in people who eat a lot of raw egg whites, since they contain a protein that blocks biotin absorption. It can also appear in people with certain medical conditions or poor diets. The good news is that biotin is found in everyday foods, like eggs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Recognizing brittle nails and thinning hair as early warning signs can help you take action before the problem becomes more serious. Number 2, mouth ulcers and cracks, iron or B vitamin deficiency. Painful sores inside the mouth or cracks at the corners of the lips can be a clear signal that your body is missing important nutrients. These signs are often linked to a lack of iron or B vitamins, such as B2, B3, and B12. Iron is vital for carrying oxygen in your blood, while B vitamins help keep your cells healthy and your energy levels steady. When your body does not get enough of them, tissues inside the mouth become more sensitive and prone to breaking down. Mouth ulcers may feel like small, sharp cuts that burn when you eat or drink. Cracks at the corners of your lips, known as angular cheilitis, can be painful and may split further when you talk or smile. These problems are not only uncomfortable, but also warning signs that your diet may be lacking. They often show up in people who do not eat enough iron-rich foods like lean meat or green vegetables, or in those who miss out on vitamins found in dairy, eggs, and whole grains. By paying attention to these mouth symptoms early, you can address the deficiency before it leads to more serious health issues like fatigue, weakness, or infections. 3, poor night vision, vitamin A deficiency. Struggling to see in dim light or needing extra time for your eyes to adjust in the dark can be a strong sign of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is essential for making a pigment in the eyes called rhodopsin, which helps you see in low light. Without enough of this vitamin, the eyes cannot respond properly when light changes, leading to night blindness. Over time, the deficiency can also cause dry eyes, irritation, and in severe cases, permanent damage to the cornea that may result in blindness. This problem is most common in areas where diets lack vitamin A-rich foods. Children are especially at risk, but adults can also experience poor night vision when their intake is too low. Early signs like dry eyes or trouble driving at night are easy to dismiss, but they should not be ignored. If the deficiency is not corrected, the damage to the eye can become serious and lasting. Vitamin A can be found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, liver, and dairy products. Adding these foods to your diet supports healthy vision and protects your eyes from long-term harm. Catching the warning early can prevent a lifetime of vision problems. Number 4, hair loss, zinc, iron, or vitamin D deficiency. Hair loss is one of the most visible signs that your body may be missing key nutrients. While some shedding is normal, widespread thinning or patchy hair loss often signals a deeper issue. Zinc, iron, and vitamin D are 3 nutrients that play a major role in hair growth. Iron helps carry oxygen to hair follicles, zinc supports tissue repair and growth, and vitamin D stimulates new follicles. Without enough of these nutrients, the growth cycle of hair is disrupted, and strands may fall out faster than they are replaced. In addition to thinning, a lack of these nutrients can also cause scalp problems. Dryness, flaking, or irritation may appear, making the hair weaker and more likely to break. People with very low iron levels often notice hair shedding across the entire scalp, while vitamin D deficiency has been linked to conditions like alopecia, where bald spots form. Zinc deficiency can lead to hair loss along with other symptoms like slow wound healing or weaker immunity. The good news is that addressing these deficiencies can often reverse the problem. Iron-rich foods like lean meats and leafy greens, zinc from nuts and seeds, and vitamin D from sunlight and fortified foods all help restore balance. Acting early can bring your hair back to health. Number 5. Red or white bumps on skin. Vitamin A or E deficiency. Small red or white bumps on the skin, often called chicken skin, are a common sign of vitamin A or vitamin E deficiency. These bumps usually appear on the arms, thighs, or cheeks and can make the skin feel rough and uneven. Vitamin A is important for skin cell growth and repair, while vitamin E works as a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage. When the body lacks these vitamins, dead skin cells build up and block hair follicles, creating the tiny bumps. This condition, known as keratosis pilaris, is usually harmless but signals that your skin is not getting the nourishment it needs. People with this deficiency may also notice dryness, itchiness, or more frequent skin irritation. Vitamin A deficiency can also affect vision and immunity, while low vitamin E may weaken the body's defense against infections and slow down healing. These bumps are an outward clue that something deeper is missing in your diet. Adding foods rich in these vitamins can improve skin health over time. Vitamin A is found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, while vitamin E is present in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. By correcting the deficiency, the skin often becomes smoother and healthier. Number 6. Bleeding gums. Vitamin C deficiency. Swollen or tender gums that bleed easily when brushing or eating can be a clear sign of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is essential for making collagen, a protein that keeps gums, teeth, and blood vessels strong. Without enough of it, the tissues in the mouth become weak, inflamed, and more likely to bleed. What may start as mild gum bleeding can quickly turn into painful swelling, loose teeth, and infections if the deficiency continues. Vitamin C also plays a big role in healing wounds and supporting the immune system. When levels are too low, the body struggles to repair itself, leading not only to gum problems but also to slower recovery from cuts and bruises. In severe cases, this deficiency can cause scurvy, a disease that once killed sailors who lacked fresh fruits and vegetables. Early warning signs like bleeding gums are your body's way of asking for help before things get that serious. The solution is simple. Eat more vitamin C-rich foods. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are all excellent sources. By catching bleeding gums as an early clue, you can prevent long-term damage to both your mouth and your overall health. Number 7. Bone pain and weakness. Vitamin D deficiency. Achy bones and constant fatigue can often be traced back to a lack of vitamin D. This vitamin helps the body absorb calcium, which is the main mineral that keeps bones strong. Without enough vitamin D, bones become weak, soft, and more likely to fracture. People with this deficiency may feel deep, dull aches in their lower back, hips, or legs, and they may tire easily even after simple activities. These are not just minor discomforts, but early signs that the skeleton itself is under stress. In children, low vitamin D can cause rickets, a condition where bones bend or grow abnormally. In adults, it can lead to osteomalacia, where bones lose strength and become more prone to breaks. Muscle weakness is also common, making it harder to stay active or recover after exercise. Since vitamin D is not present in many foods naturally, deficiencies are widespread, especially in people who get little sunlight. The solution is straightforward. Safe sun exposure, fortified dairy products, fatty fish, and supplements can restore healthy vitamin D levels. Recognizing bone pain and weakness early allows you to protect your skeleton and avoid long-term damage. Number 8. Numbness or tingling in hands, feet. B vitamin deficiency. A tingling or pins and needles feeling in the hands or feet is often a warning sign of a B vitamin deficiency, especially vitamin B12. These vitamins are critical for keeping the nervous system healthy. When levels are too low, the protective covering around nerves begins to break down. This makes signals between the brain and body slower and weaker, leading to numbness, tingling, or burning sensations. At first, the feelings may come and go, but if the deficiency is ignored, they can become constant and even cause lasting nerve damage. Vitamin B12 is mainly found in animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy, which means people with poor diets or strict vegan lifestyles are more at risk if they do not take supplements. Folate and vitamin B6 deficiencies can also contribute to nerve problems. leaving the body without the support it needs for proper cell function. Along with tingling, other symptoms may include fatigue, weakness, poor balance, or memory problems. Correcting the deficiency early can reverse most of the damage. Foods rich in B vitamins or proper supplements can restore nerve health and stop the progression. Paying attention to tingling in your hands or feet can save you from long-term complications. Number 9. Frequent infections. Vitamin C or vitamin D deficiency. Getting sick often or taking longer than usual to recover is a common sign that your body might be low in key vitamins that support the immune system. Vitamin C plays an important role in helping the body fight off infections by boosting white blood cell activity and protecting tissues from damage. Without enough of it, your immune defenses become weaker, leaving you open to colds, gum problems, and slower healing from cuts or wounds. Since the body cannot store vitamin C, it needs a steady supply from foods like citrus, peppers, or supplements to stay strong. Vitamin D is equally critical for immune health. It helps the body produce proteins that fight bacteria and viruses. Low vitamin D levels are strongly linked to frequent respiratory infections, tiredness, and overall weakness. People who spend little time in the sun or do not eat foods like fish, eggs, or fortified products are more at risk. A shortage of this vitamin can also make illnesses last longer and feel more severe. Frequent infections should never be brushed off as normal. Correcting vitamin C or vitamin D deficiency through diet, safe sun exposure, or supplements can restore the body's defenses and keep infections from coming back again and again. Number 10. Unexplained fatigue. Multiple deficiencies. Feeling tired all the time, even after getting enough rest, is a sign your body may be missing key nutrients. One of the most common causes is iron deficiency. Iron is needed to make hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Without enough oxygen reaching your muscles and brain, you may feel weak, lightheaded, and constantly drained. Vitamin B12 is another important nutrient linked to energy. It supports nerve function and helps the body produce red blood cells. Low B12 levels can lead to fatigue, numbness in the hands and feet, and even trouble with memory or focus. Since B12 is found mostly in animal foods like meat, fish, and dairy, people who avoid these foods may need fortified options or supplements. Vitamin D deficiency can also leave you feeling worn out. This vitamin supports bone and muscle health, but it also affects mood and energy. People with low vitamin D often report tiredness, low motivation, and frequent aches. Lack of sunlight, limited diet, and certain health conditions can all contribute to this shortage. If fatigue does not improve with rest or lifestyle changes, it may be a signal of multiple deficiencies. Correcting iron, B12, or vitamin D levels can often restore energy and improve overall health. Your body speaks through these warning signs, and ignoring them can harm your long-term health. Pay attention, make small changes, and fuel your body with the right nutrients every day. If you notice these symptoms, take action now instead of waiting for them to get worse. Subscribe for more health insights like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. See ya!